Hello everybody, this is Winter Storm Selene. It's March 23rd, 2016. Boy, we sure got some snow this time. Couldn't believe it. Woke up this morning at 3 and it was clear as a bell. And then went to try to go to work. Couldn't even get out to go to work. And when I did, there was nobody working. So I just thought I'd show everybody this video for all this snow we got. If anybody was interested. So look, I had to dig all this out. It took me like 2 hours. Now I'm sore. That's the wife's car. I gotta dig it out tomorrow, uncover it. So look at this. This is pretty deep. I haven't had snow like this all winter. So yeah, it's crazy. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow and clear up. So hopefully I'll melt some off in the next couple days, because next week we're getting more. And for everybody that's watching this, like, subscribe, enjoy. There's other videos on here that you might enjoy as well. So check them out. And for all y'all that's getting snow too, be safe out there and God bless.